Imagine you have a magical money pot that can instantly turn your cash into digital gold. No more trips to the bank, no more ATMs, just pure financial freedom. But is this magic real? Can you actually deposit cash into Vivid Money? Vivid Money is a popular digital banking app that offers a range of financial services, from budgeting to investing. But one of the most common questions people ask is, can I deposit cash directly into my Vivid Money account? In this video, we'll dive into the world of Vivid Money and find out if you can indeed deposit cash. Unfortunately, the short answer is no. Vivid Money does not currently allow direct cash deposits. This might seem surprising, especially given the app's focus on convenience. However, there are a few reasons why this might be the case. One reason could be the technical challenges involved in processing cash deposits. Unlike traditional banks, Vivid Money is a digital-only platform. This means they don't have physical branches or ATMs to handle cash transactions. Another reason might be regulatory restrictions. Different countries have varying regulations for digital banking, and some may limit the types of transactions that can be performed through these platforms. Exploring alternatives. While you can't deposit cash directly into Vivid Money, there are still ways to fund your account. The most common method is to transfer money from another bank account. You can usually do this through the Vivid Money app or website. Simply connect your external bank account and initiate a transfer. If you don't have a bank account, you might be able to use prepaid cards or cash-to-card services. These services allow you to convert cash into digital funds that can then be transferred to your Vivid Money account. Additional features and benefits. Even though you can't deposit cash directly, Vivid Money offers several features that make it a convenient and attractive option for many people. For example, Vivid Money provides budgeting tools to help you track your spending and save money. You can also invest in stocks and ETFs through the app. Additionally, Vivid Money often offers cashback rewards and other perks for using their services. So, while you can't deposit cash directly into Vivid Money, the app still offers a range of features and benefits that make it a valuable financial tool. By understanding the limitations and exploring the available alternatives, you can make an informed decision about whether Vivid Money is the right choice for your financial needs. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.